Abu Nufal states, I saw Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu hanged in a mountain pass of Medina Munawwara. The Quraysh and the other people were passing from there until Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu happened to pass by there. And he stopped there and said, Salutation be upon you, O Abu Khubayb. Salutation be upon you, O Abu Khubayb. Salutation be upon you, O Abu Khubayb. I would proscribe you from it, the affair of caliphate. Hearken by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I would proscribe you from it. I would forbid you from it. Hearken by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, so far as I know, you would frequently fast, perform prayer regularly, and keenly bolster up the bonds of kinship, according to the enemies. The group of yours will wigged, whereas it was actually extremely good. Thereafter, Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu went away. When Hajjaz got the news of Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar's staying there and his statement, he sent someone to the corpse of Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair and got it down from the gallows and got it cast in the Jews' graveyard. He then summoned his mother Hazrat Asma, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, but she refused to go to him. He again summoned her, commanding, Come to me, or I will send someone to you who will bring you to me, dragging you from your hair. Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha again refused and said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not come to you unless you send to me someone who will drag me pulling my hair. Hajjaj thereupon said, Bring me my sandals. He then put on